Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region this morning, seeing some rainfall starting to filter down the peninsula. And taking a look at the radar imagery, you can see we do have some light to moderate rainfall across Ocean City and Ocean Pines that will continue to move down the peninsula towards our area today, giving us some rain showers mainly during the afternoon hours, but can't rule out some sprinkles or some drizzle this morning. Once we move into the mid-afternoon hours, could also even see a isolated thunderstorm across the region, as we do have a little bit of instability across the area expected to develop. So, taking a look at our this morning's sounding, we have freezing level around 14,000 feet, winds out of the north to north-northeast at 1,000 feet at 18 knots, and seeing those winds more northerly to northwesterly, around 10 to 15 knots, between 3 and 12,000 feet, then seeing our winds increase out of the west-southwest to 25,000 feet with a peak wind at 42 knots. Our surface analysis this morning, we have an area low pressure off our coast giving us these low clouds and fairly unsettled conditions across the region, more dreary weather today, and this trough extending west of that giving us the rain showers and even a possibility of an isolated thunderstorm for this afternoon. So taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see lots of cloud cover across the region and more cloud cover north of the Maryland-Virginia line this morning. You can see we do have a few breaks in the clouds across the area, but overall seeing cloudy conditions, and that'll be the case throughout the remainder of the day. And taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see some rain showers in the area throughout the day today, mainly seeing that heavier rainfall possible along the coastline of the Maryland and Delaware beaches. Could see some of that rainfall develop if we do see any thunderstorms. Could see that heavier rainfall with the thunderstorms, but overall looking like more of this the light rain to possibly moderate rainfall at times throughout the day today with showery weather in general. So taking a look at the European model for the next few days, we're going to have those rain showers today and then ending and moving off the coast by evening, and then by tomorrow should see a better day in general. Still some breezy conditions off the water. Could see some sprinkles or drizzle during the morning, but overall should see a dry day on Thursday. Then for Friday, high pressure builds in, some nice weather across the area. Saturday, much the same. And Sunday, we'll see a upper level trough start to move into the center of the country. We'll see a boundary kind of spreading from west-east from that. That's going to give us a slight chance of some showers late Sunday, but then once we move into Monday and Tuesday, that's where our chances increase of some showers and thunderstorms across the region as this upper level low spins towards the region, giving us some decent chances of some precipitation across the region. Taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high 78 degrees expected today. Could see that high only be around 77 to 76 if we see the rainfall move in a little bit quicker this morning, but overall much cooler than we have been seeing lately. Our low tonight around 68. We'll see the rain showers in the region, especially in the afternoon hours today. A 25% chance of a thunderstorm popping up, and winds will be gusty out of the northeast this afternoon with that low off the coast gusting up to 23 knots. As far as our overnight winds go, we'll see northeasterly winds around 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 18 knots, so that'll keep our overnight low up into the upper 60s as the wind will be off the water, and the water is fairly warm right now, around the mid-70s just off the coast. As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast goes, going to see those ceilings around 1,000, 2,000 feet today, rain showers in and out of the area, and with that 25% chance of a thunderstorm for 1,400 local to 20 local this afternoon in the evening hours. And then we should see those rain showers really start to taper off by about 8 o'clock with only a slight chance after 8 or 20 local until 2,200 local. As we move into the overnight hours, we'll see some low clouds in the region around 1,000 feet. Slight chance we see some mist, but overall should stay dry overnight with tomorrow morning cloudy skies, continued low clouds around 1,000 feet with a slight chance of mist or drizzle. Our tides are slightly above normal at this time. And looking at Thursday and Friday, Thursday, overcast, mostly cloudy early, becoming partly cloudy by late afternoon with breezy onshore flow. Slight chance of drizzle or light rain during the morning, high of 79. Thursday night, partly cloudy and seasonable, low of 65. And for Friday, partly cloudy and slightly breezy in the afternoon, a high of 79. We're seeing those precipitation chances tomorrow morning, around 20% with that chance of some light rain or drizzle, as well as the winds could be gusting around 22 to 23 knots tomorrow afternoon, so can't rule out a gust up to 25 knots. Friday looks Less breezy overall. Should see those winds well under 25 knots on Friday with a pleasant day in general. So taking a look at the next 7 days, that good chance of rain showers today, a slight chance tomorrow morning, and then a dry period most likely from Thursday afternoon through Sunday afternoon. Temperatures fairly seasonable for this time of year, upper 70s or lower 80s through Sunday. So a really nice weekend. Looks like it's setting up across the area. For Monday and Tuesday, as I mentioned, with that upper level low starting to move through the center of the country into the eastern portion of the United States, going to see chances of showers and thunderstorms increase across our region as it appears now, with better chances during the afternoon and evening. More humidity across the region as well, so we'll be more humid on Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures in the lower 80s to upper 70s across the region. And taking a quick look at Hurricane Earl across the Atlantic this morning, you can see it's south of Bermuda, and will continue to move north. It's moving north at 6 miles an hour, maximum sustained winds at 85 miles an hour, expected to become a major hurricane as it passes southeast of Bermuda and over the open waters of the Atlantic. Taking a look at the current track and how that is placed near Bermuda. You can see here, here's Bermuda right here with a tropical storm warning. It is about 100 miles off to the southeast or east of Bermuda, so moving a little bit closer than it was yesterday from the National Hurricane Center by about 30 miles. And the wind field on Earl will continue to expand as it moves northward. And it will interact with this trough that we have off our coast right now, as well as expecting some shear to lessen across the storm. So that should allow the storm to strengthen as a major hurricane, as the Hurricane Center has forecasted here by Thursday into Friday. And with the worst conditions, looks like it will impact Bermuda with tropical storm force conditions, as is the warning for tropical storm force conditions from the National Hurricane Center for that time period. But that's a quick update on Earl. I hope everybody has a great day today and a good week. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.